Hello, this is the weather planning briefing for Sunday, March 5th, and I'm meteorologist Ryan Leach. So we'll start off with a quick overview of what to expect for the week across the region. Basically, we've just got a lot of light snow that's going to be affecting the region, a little bit of wind in southwest and west central Montana on Monday, but really that's only notable just because we're going to be having the snow to go along with it. So overall, these are all low impacts, and I would say across the board, they're even on the low end of low impacts. But basically, just nearly continuous snow throughout the week in isolated areas to scattered coverage depending on the time. So the next system that we have coming up will be coming through for Monday. Actually, it'll be Monday morning through Monday evening. And I've just got three kind of forecasts here: a low end, an expected, and a high end forecast. So you can see, on the low end, we've got a lot of areas with less than an inch, but the low end forecast source for central Idaho, the southern Bitterroot up over Lost Trail Pass and over towards Butte and Homestake Pass in that area is about 1 to 3 inches depending on location. And then, of course, that's pretty similar for the expected, and the high end. The high end forecast has generally about 2 to 4 inches, so we've got a pretty narrow range. We're not expecting a lot of snow in general with this system. I will say, with it coming through in the daytime and having the spring sun, we're almost to astronomical spring coming up about 2 weeks away. That the sun's getting stronger, and that'll help sort of destabilize things. So expect this to break up and get more showery during the day and into the afternoon as it happens. So even though we have some of these lower snow amounts in the forecast and not a wide range of snow amounts forecast, that may actually come in a very short period with high snow rates, because we're going to have these snow showers sort of convective. So you still may see some road impacts from that as the heavy snow or moderate to heavy snow accumulates very quickly, and then the showers move on. Overall for the week, though, I mean, it's pretty hard to time all the impacts, but what we've got is up over northwest Canada, we've got this large low pressure system that keeps spinning around, and these are these little short waves I've depicted here, and with the white bars coming out of the low that keep spinning around it. And as those waves come through, they cause round after round of precipitation, of snow showers and whatnot. And this is going to last through most of the week, through about Friday, that we're going to have the impact of this, and just one after the other, we keep getting these snow showers with them. So the one for Monday we've timed out pretty well, but the timing on these short waves going around that low is pretty difficult to get even a few days out. But the general story is we're going to have this trough, which is going to represent some cooler air. So we're going to have cooler than average temperatures. Combine that cooler than average temperatures with these troughs spinning through and a little bit of extra sunshine because it's springtime, and we end up getting some showers and snow, and that's really going to be the story for the week. Looking sort of at the 6 to 10 day outlook here, we are expecting sort of a change in the pattern, potential for some ridging to come in into next weekend, and a bit of a warm up in temperatures. We've got a long ways to go, though, to warm up to get to average temperatures for this time of year. So the 6 to 10 day outlook still has below average temperatures, but this is March. Our average temperatures are warming up pretty quick. Here in Missoula, we're already at 45, 46 degrees by the time we get to here for an average high. So even with below average temperatures, we're going to be seeing those days above freezing and a pretty strong impact from the sun. Also, having some of our longer range models show some potential for some atmospheric river type events sort of coming in and affecting the area. That's giving us a little bit above normal chances for precipitation. However, there is a lot of uncertainty with this, and it keeps varying from model run to model run, and that's due to several factors. One, it's just the spring, and as we go into these seasonal transitions, it gets harder to predict, or the atmosphere becomes less predictable. And also, we're headed out of a La Nina, and so we're seeing change in that large pattern, and there's also been some activity with the MJO. So all these things are sort of conspiring together to really make it difficult to predict the storm track a week out or more. And so we do have some potential for that rain and precipitation. Nothing very extreme, though, for Montana or central Idaho, just maybe some more showers and stuff like that. So I'll just wrap it up again with our weather threat matrix. We're basically just looking at snow showers and a little bit of breezy, typical for March afternoons with some of those snow showers throughout the rest of the week. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 406-329-4841, and give us a call anytime if you need a more detailed forecast. Thank you.